I'm standing in front of ITC Sonar Hotel. The infrastructure of this building is very good. The design is very gorgeous to look also. And room inside is very neat and clean and it's spacious also. I'm staying in this hotel. And I'm going to show you how the room look like in IETC Sona at Kolkata. Actually, the entrance is very good and space of this room very nice. And initially followed by room, it is very spacious and looks nice. And the interior designing is very good. They have done well for this room, and it is very worth to stay over here. I'm in my room. Actually, behind the scene is the pond. It is well maintained. It looks like natural, and it was like a original pond, which I was seen in my native place. So it looks like a real. And the more important thing is there is a room here. You can able to see this is the room. It's very windy over here, and the breeze is very cool, and it's very pleasant. I feel like in another world, in nature world, I'm feeling, and it's a very good place to spend around the evening. Nature, it looks like I'm within the nature. Actually, the room is near to this pond. When we sit and relax over here by seeing the pond, now this room is closed. The view is very gorgeous from looking from inside to view the pond. Standing behind the Royal Building, ITC Royal Building. From behind, it looks gorgeous and it looks good also. The ambience and the infrastructure inside this hotel is very good and gorgeous also to look.